Hey guys, welcome everyone. Today's session. Today also we are going to see one interesting subject in Flash, Adobe Flash. Okay, so I already created file. You can create any size to do this exercise. Today we are going to see some interesting stuff. Effects animation. Effects animation. Okay, when you animate, suppose you are animating water effects, smoke effects. So let's see how to do these effects, right? Okay, let's begin. Before that, please subscribe my channel for updates. This is a good channel for beginners. I'm going to upload about animation, origami, Photoshop, Flash, reviews, and all the social related matters. So every day I'm going to upload one or two videos. So kindly support me and subscribe this channel. Okay, those who are watching this, I'm very thankful to them. Please encourage me, okay, with your comments, positive, negative, anything is fine. I will definitely follow your comments and I will try to modify my teaching method, or to give some kind of animation examples. I will change myself based on your comments. Please do support me. Okay, let's begin. Now, I started with one a layer. Okay, so I'm going to draw something and I will convert this into graphic. Okay, so I'm giving a raindrops. Rain drops. Fine. So I'm going inside this raindrops. I will delete this. Now I need a blue color. Okay. So you think like maybe I can use this blue color. I'm selecting brush because I'm going to do frame by frame animation. Okay. So I already selected the brush, thickness of the brush, color is blue. Then we will start. Don't forget, I'm inside the graphic. Okay, I'm doing the animation inside the graphic. Okay, let's start our first drawing. Okay, see the drops. So maybe I need a little bit thickness. Okay, this is my first sketch. Go to third frame, insert keyframe, open onion skin, open onion skin to see the previous frame. Draw the second. Go to next after two frames, insert keyframe and draw a little bit stretched water drops. Go here, insert keyframe, maintain the distance and you draw the little clear water drops. Again after two frames, insert keyframe, draw the water drops as you wish. Okay, so now again insert keyframe. Maybe this is my ground. Here is my ground. So I'm giving my last water drops over here. Again after two frames, insert keyframe. Now I'm going to do the water splash because here is the ground. So the first drawing, see, I will draw the water flash, right? Small drops are here. I will pull little down. Okay. The next, again insert keyframe. I will extend this water splash. See, I will make little bigger, just following the ground, and this water drops become bigger here, and one more will appear here or somewhere, maybe here. Okay. The next, insert keyframe. See, the ground ripple started bigger, right? And here you can do some interesting frame by frame animation like this. See here, so this water drops will go here, this one will jump, and we have created one more. Fine. Again insert keyframe. I think this much size is enough. Then the water layer will come down, right? Same time, this ground ripples size also will become big, and this water will go up. This is here and this one here. Again insert keyframe. Continue with the next poses. Drawing, see how I'm converting this water drops like this. One more appear here. So this will become like this. Go up. This is going out of the frame. Again insert keyframe. This will become bigger, this is become small, this is gone out, and this, the ripples will extend and become smaller. Insert keyframe. This water will become smaller now. This is also smaller, this is going out of the frame, so no need to draw. And this ripples will slowly disappear. The next frame, insert keyframe. Draw small dot here. This will become smaller, and this is disappear, right? Okay. Insert keyframe. Delete. Now you can see this will appear, this has become smaller, and this water layer also become smaller. Insert keyframe. Again, see this is very small now. This water will disappear. This is also become smaller. Insert keyframe. This is small and this will disappear. Just finally, you keep the last frame blank keyframe. You select and you can give a blank keyframe over here. See? Insert keyframe and just delete. And few more frames you extend. To extend, you are pressing F5. Okay? Now, let's check the animation. See the animation? Water drops become. See? So, I need this animation little faster. So, instead of 12 frames, I will go for 24 frames. Okay, done. just come out, and we know the scene, I mean inside the frame length, so we are just extending that. So select that layer, go inside, check the number of frame you animated, 55 frames. Come out, you extend this scene up to 55 frames. Insert frame. Now when you control enter, see the water drops. See the water drops. Now I want more drops, right? So what I will do, I will copy this rain animation here and there, here and there. Okay, the next thing what I have to do, see now what's happening, all water drops are in same timing, all water drops are same timing. I lift little up, so then it will fall in the ground. So here you can set up, one is here, one is a little bit here, other one is here. Okay, now we have adjust this one closer to camera, so I will make little bigger, 110%. This one I will make it for 90, I will reduce 10%. This one, so I wanted to show the perspective, right? So again still I will show 70%, and this one maybe 60%. Okay, so I have changed the size of the water drops also. See, change the size of the water drops. Here one problem, see, all the water drops are in the same timing. That is not possible, right? That is not possible. So go to properties, see, click properties here, select the each water, okay, and select this looping. Okay, the looping is fine, but change the number. One is maybe sixth frame will start, another one first is okay, this one 20, just change the numbers randomly you can change it, 30, and this one 42, just change it randomly. Okay, now you press Control Enter. See, you got a water animation with the different timing, and few water areas are still going down. So what I will do, I will just lift up. Now Control Enter. See, different waters with the different timing. So still I can make a little speed. So either you can adjust frame inside or outside also, you can change the frame rate. Control Enter. See, the water drops with the different timing. Okay, so in this class you have learned how to do the water animation interestingly with the different timing, different size, and you applied perspective also. Okay, I hope you all are enjoyed my session. So please keep watching. I'm continuously updating a few more animations in coming days. Okay, thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.